Hey guys, welcome to Prime Tech Automotive YouTube channel. I just got a quick video. I'm gonna show you how to perform service light reset on a VW Golf 2004 to 2009. It's very simple and quick procedure. Just how it is. Using these two buttons, you can do this reset. So what you need to do, press and hold the right side button and turn the key on, and you will see the service now light stays on. Release, and then the left button flick to turn to right side once, and it's reset. And next you do turn the ignition off, turn back on, it's reset. All right, hope this video helped, guys. Just like and share my videos and support my channel. Subscribe. Just comment if you have any ideas. Comment if you this video help when you do the service. Yeah, thanks for watching.